What's going on, family? I'm Sean, and welcome back to Insurance Adjusting 101. Now, I want to make a quick little PSA right here because this is very, very important. The deployment that I'm on right now, I've been hearing from my managers and I've been hearing from people in other deployments saying that they're being let go for either one of two reasons. Number one, they're not able to do the work that they need to do in a timely manner. It happens sometimes. You try to go in there, you work sometimes, you try to get the work done, but you're just not working fast enough. And their clients, they're saying, hey, this person right here, they're not doing the work fast enough like we need them to do. You need to tell them they got to go. So that's happened. And the other thing is that a lot of the claims that people working from Hurricane Ida, they're drying up. Sometimes hurricane season will last from September until November. Now, with all that being said, this is exactly why I said that it is very important for you guys to save your money. I get it, it's tempting. You make over $2,000 a week, probably the most money you've ever made. And you want to get out there, you want to buy all these cool things of, oh yeah, I can now buy this, I can buy the PlayStation 5, I can buy the new Nintendo Switch, I can buy all these different things. No. Now, there's nothing wrong with treating yourself once a month. However, with all the money that you have, you want to save up as much as you possibly can because you never, ever know when you're going to have to leave that deployment. All right, family, thank you so very much for watching this. Take care of yourselves, peace and love, and I will see you guys in the next video.